All right, so today we are going to be replacing the shocks on a 4th gen 2012 Ram 2500. I'm going to be swapping out the backs and the fronts for Fox shocks. This has an 8-inch lift on it, so it's 8 inches in the front, 5 in the back. That way sits level and everything. It's from a zone lift. That's how they come. Says, if you read on their site, it says 5 inches lift in the back. We'll be getting rid of this shock and the other one. So I do. All right, guys, so first step on the back here to get this shock out of here, we got just the bolt on the bottom, which is 21 millimeter, and then you got another one up on the top. So I might try and start with that top one because it looks like it's going to be a pain in the butt. Let me get that out, and then I'll get video of me getting the bottom one out of here. So I could go on the other side. There we go. Get that out of there. And then I can take the top bolt out. Whew. There we go. Got the old shock out. And now it's time to get the new one ready. Get the new one put back in there. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I got the bushings put in here. And all I did was, I did the rubber first and I just put a little grease around it. Used a vise, my bench vise. And then put a towel kind of around it so it didn't scratch anything, and then just squeeze it together. And this, so the rubber piece will be over here, and then you just squeeze it together and rubber piece pops in the middle. And then you put a little bit of grease around this one and repeat the same process. Put it in and then squeeze it together and it'll pop right in. So all right, so I am gonna put the top bolt mount in first, so then after that I can cut it and then hopefully guide it into place and put the bottom bolt in before it gets too bad. So let me get the top mounted in and then we'll cut the thing and try and get the bottom in. Not bad. Bam. There we go, guys. First try. Whew. Perfect. We'll just switch these around. There we go. Well, there's one side done. I'll torque them to final specs or wherever they're supposed to be at. But now, so there we go. Now I will repeat the process with that one right there. It's just mounted up up there as well. So I'll get that done and give you a look once it's done. But that's how easy it is. Only took 15 minutes, probably 20 minutes at the most. So now that I know how that's done, the other side should go a lot easier. Okay guys, got the top bolts in up there, as you can tell. Getting ready to cut the string here. But a pro tip for you is when you cut that, if you're worried about not getting it lined up with this, what you can do, you just put this underneath it, and if it goes too far, all you got to do is go like that and just pry up the shock, which is super easy, just to line up the bolt holes. So if you miss it the first time on the way down, just leave this in there and then that'll stop it from coming all the way down. So I'll show you now what I'm talking about and get the bolt lined up just in case. I'm gonna try and stay out of your way here, hopefully. Come on. There we go. Now just feed that right into place. Move the bolt. Up. See, it went too far, right? So it's like, ah, shoot. All you got to do, go like that. You see that? And get you closer. So you see that? Just go like that, and that'll line that. Assuming it's far enough back, that'll line that hole right up just perfect. So yeah, pretty easy. Only thing is, I put the bolt in the wrong way. So let's line that up that way. There we go. I could thread up the freaking thing on here. There we go. And then that just slides right on out. So perfect. Easy peasy, guys. Now I just gotta tighten it up. But yeah, so that's the Fox shock install. Like I say, pretty easy. Trying to get this truck all nice and done up. I just polished the wheels the other day. I got a video on that if you want to see how to polish these buggers up nice. I'm gonna have a few more videos on the truck doing some other stuff, so yeah. All right, there we got both Fox shocks in. Got the front one over there, looking good. Got the back one over here, looking really good. So perfect, easy peasy. Not too bad to change these out, guys. Just so you have the right tools. Oh, and here's the toolkit I'm using. It's from Neiko, N-E-I-K-O. And this is their impact socket set. I got it from Amazon, and this bugger's been working awesome. So no complaints, no problems about it at all. Been holding up really good. And that's a 1/2-inch impact socket set. I've been using that with my Milwaukee cordless 1/2-inch impact wrench. So love this cordless one. These guys are awesome. So I'll have a link below to the socket set and stuff. Probably the impact Milwaukee drill if I can find one on if I can find one on Amazon as well. So we will catch you in the next one, and happy 4th of July, guys. Hopefully I get this uploaded tonight sometime. Probably gonna go watch fireworks too, so I got a lot of work ahead of me. I gotta do the front shocks as well today. So that's my next mission, is to show you guys how to change the front shocks on a Dodge. So, all right, later, guys.